Now, so you're telling me I walk out here and immediately you two get up from the stupidly comfortable position you guys were? Wow. What's up? What's up, Vanilla? Hi, Vanilla Bean. Oh, Meerkat. I have a video of it before. I don't know if I've posted it yet, but these two were super comfortable. Hi. Hi. Hi, Boots. Hi, Boots. I swear if you jump up here and you two start fighting again. Hi, Boots, baby. Who's such a good girl? Yeah. I know you're here. Hi. Don't you do it. Or do. Hi, big girl. Not much has changed since the last time I recorded. Really? You've made it even more of a mess in here? Hi. 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 Hi, pretty girl. Hi, pretty girl. Izzy. Hi. Such a pretty girl. You're such a pretty girl. Yes, you are. Such a pretty girl. Yes, you are. Hi. You Muttbox baby. She has a bit of a worse eye right now. I have explained earlier, but this absolute fluffy nerd and her got into quite a big fight, and Bubba got her decently good, but that was weeks ago. And now this baby girl's feeling all better. You can barely notice that she got hit. Hi. Hi, baby girl. And also, if you're, like, being angry at Bubba, don't worry. He got some, justice here. Because Boots said, alright, I've had enough of you, and attacked him. Hi, Boots. Because he was being real, trying to dominate everybody and attack everybody in the mornings. And Boots gets a little bit pissy and did not like that, so they attacked him. And he's not been trying to sit here and do all of that since, so. Alright. Oh, yes, I know. You're such a tired girl. I'm sorry. Oh, such a tired baby. Oh, such a tired baby. Yes, I know you are. Such a tired baby. My fluffy white paws. Typically, she would be over on the couch over there, but her and Coco were just cuddling up an insane amount. What are you doing? Hi. What's up? What's up? Don't walk over me. Oh, God. These two next to each other is like the worst thing possible. So I'm trying not to get in quite literally in the middle of an entire fight here. Hi. 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 I know. What's up? Pretty girl. Pretty girl. Pretty girl. Pretty girl. Yes, I know. Bubba is wanting attention again. So now he's just in the middle of the road. Boop, boop, boop. Keep it up or you're gonna make my sock wet. Huh? Yeah. Yeah, fluffy child. Flop. Yeah, fluffy child. Flop. Yeah, fluffy child. I'm such a fluffy child. Flop. Who's such a fluffy? Flop. Hey, floppy boy. What's up, floppy boy? What's up, flopster? Hi, baby.